Hello, this is Ashik Rahman Imran. So today I'll show how to prepare database and how to use Azure Data Studio. So my first concern point is Azure Data Studio. So this is a very new tool of Microsoft Corporation and which is very much lightweight and fast to use. But you must have to be faster with writing command in SQL. So now I'm dropping a database. Drop database with a shake and go. So the database drop is done. So now there is so many shortcuts here that you can write your command as faster as possible. So such as like SQL create database. So all the things prepared. So first it will check, is there any database with this name? So paste database with Ashik. So now we are preparing the database. So the command is done successfully. So we are refreshing. Okay. So after that we want to create table. So SQL create table. So table and schema name DBO, database name is test database with Ashik. So the column name is ID is already defined and it's typed into there, and we need identity on it. Identity. So and the column name is name and third column name is address. So the column preparation is done and this is the primary column. So if we refresh the table, so we got the table. Okay, we want to insert some data here, so we need to write command again SQL. Okay, so insert rows. What it's telling, we have to select database and schema for that, because our current database is master database. So removing this one and we are selecting this database SQL insert rows. So our table name is test table. We don't need any schema name, so we don't need any database name. So the test table is enough for that because we already selected the database here. Okay, we need the columns names, right? So is there any shortcut to get the column names easily here? Yeah, there is some shortcut that you can write your code as fast as possible. SQL column list. So which table column list we need? Test table. Okay, if you run this command, so it's giving the column names. So we can go here, and after that we are adding this here, and this is the primary column, so we don't need it. And what we can do with this, so putting the comma behind. Okay, but I'm removing the first comma, and what should the value? And after that I'm giving the address Bangladesh. So what it will do, like we didn't write anything here, so it's automatically generated. So if you run the command, what's telling? Invalid column name. Why this name column is invalid? We already give a name. So if we put these things here and address here, what it will do? Why this column name is invalid column name? So there's table. So if we get DB here after the dot, what it will do? Again it's saying the invalid column name. So use test database. command executed successfully. So if we select this top 100 row, there's no data. So what we need to do for that? Insert into that, and this is the column names and this is the data. Okay, its length is 50 and 50, so it's possible to insert. So what we need to do is SQL insert rows, column value 1, column value 2, values. Okay, all the things correct. Okay, we need to insert only 2 rows. Okay, sorry, by mistake. Like always, I used to write C# codes, so that's why I have put it the double quote here for a string. Okay, the insertion is done. So yeah, there's some data. Okay, so this is an easier procedure so to write commands in SQL with Azure Data Studio. So SQL create rows. So table name is test table. Schema table database test database with a sheet. So after that, what we need to do? We need to write some condition here. Id equal to 1. What it's doing? Is there any row here anymore? No data. So again, SQL insert rows, test table data preview, and test database with sheet. And again, if we write name address here, and if we insert some rows here, John, name is John, and he's from New York or USA. And if we want to insert another row here, from Bangladesh. So we can insert multiple rows with these things easily. So if we check, then we get 2 rows. So this is a good procedure for writing your query as fast as possible, such as like I'm showing you some other shortcuts here. SQL create procedure. So the stored procedure generation code is here done. So you can write your codes easily. Even SQL cursor. The cursor command is done. So like you are declaring the cursor here and selecting commands for a cursor and open cursor and fetching one by one, and while fetch state is 0. So that's why I love these tools a lot. SQL letters drop column, drop store procedure, get space used. So how much space used for a database or a table? SQL used space. So test table. If we run this command, so it has 2 rows. Total pages 2, use pages 2, and total use pages. So like we have divided this information, so that's why we're not getting any megabytes here. So that's all for today, and thank you very much, and stay connected and get something new every day.